Hi, let's try an experiment. Ready? Don't imagine an elephant. Too late. Imagine, right? That's how our brains work. It clings to the negative first. Now think of artificial intelligence. What worked up? It's stealing our jobs. It's dangerous. It will dominate us. That's no accident. Our brains are familiar to fear change. But here's the truth we are missing. AI isn't the elephant, but it's the bridge to amplify us. Just like you couldn't ignore the elephant, we can't ignore AI's risks. AI is one of the greatest tools humanity has ever built. But if we see it only through the lens of pessimism, we will miss the massive opportunities it offers. In today's world, AI is bridging the large gaps between the rich and poor in the quality of education. It is shifting the humans from repetitive tasks to quality creative roles. That's nothing new. Every major innovation revolution in history, from electricity to the world of internet, first sparked fear before driving progress. However, the AI and all technologies are the blessings from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for mankind. They are also a test. Those who use them for good will be rewarded, and those who misuse them will be punished. Use this massive opportunity to succeed in this world and hereafter. In a nutshell, pessimism says AI will replace us. The optimism asks, how can AI empower us? The difference, our mindset.